Trading requires more than just a comprehension of technical analysis. Understanding the forces that propel the Forex market is equally essential. Beyond the trend lines, double tops and head and shoulder patterns lies a foundational influence guiding these market movements. None other than the powerful force known as news. To grasp the significance of news, consider this hypothetical situation. During your routine morning market check, breaking news unfolds on financial channels. A renowned IT company whose stock you currently hold just filed bankruptcy. As an investor with a stake in this company, what would be your immediate response? Now, extend this scenario to the broader market. How do you think other shareholders and potential investors would react to this sudden revelation? The natural response would likely involve promptly liquidating your shareholdings. In reality, this is likely the course of action that nearly every other individual with any vested interest in that company would take. This example underscores the pivotal role that news plays in shaping our understanding of market dynamics and steering investment decisions. You aim to confidently address the question, which news releases are worth trading? Forex traders must acquaint themselves with the significant event risks that exert a substantial influence on major currencies. Keep in mind that we engage in news trading to capitalize on its capacity to intensify short-term market volatility. Therefore, it is logical to focus on trading news that holds the highest potential for impacting the currency market significantly. News driving price action and causing volatility often includes changes in central bank policy, shifts in government policy, unpredictable geopolitical events, surprising outcomes in economic data releases, natural disasters and geopolitical tensions. Staying informed about upcoming major event risks can prevent ending up on the unfavorable side of the market. Then, how do we determine the significance of news? The AAA Trading Economic Calendar highlights the important events and economic data that are being released by the countries with the most popularly traded currencies. Our economic calendar simplifies event sorting, even when there are over 100 in a week. It helps you effortlessly gauge the relative significance of each event, avoiding overwhelming information. What's more, in our economic calendar, you have the ability to filter event listings by important level. For example, by selecting only L3 star, the economic calendar will only display the events that have historically been known to produce market volatility. So how could we trade Forex on news? There are two probable outcomes whenever news hits. Price can spike in one direction or remain intact without any significant movement. Therefore, knowing the two probable outcomes, there are two possible approaches to trading the news. Having directional bias means expecting the market to move in a particular direction depending on the news outcome or economic releases. For instance, one can enter a short position on the EUR-USD pair if the non-farm payroll report comes better than expected, signaling strength in the US economy, therefore dollar strength. Similarly, if the non-farm payroll report was to miss expectations signaling weakness in the US labor market, one can look to go long the EUR-USD to try and profit from dollar weakness after the report. With no direction bias, one does not plan what to do based on the outcome of the economic release. In this case, one is only interested in seeing the direction the market will move after the news release before opening trade, as there is no bias as to whether the price will go up or down. Consequently, a trader will only enter a long position when the market interprets the news and starts moving up. Similarly, once the data is interpreted, one would enter a short position as soon as the price begins moving lower. In conclusion, trading Forex on news can be highly profitable if approached strategically. By focusing on events that generate volatility and using reliable resources to identify them, traders can maximize their chances of success. As we wrap up today's video, if you found it helpful, please remember to show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon. Happy trading and have a win!